So, Chris, this ruling tomorrow, is it really on the case itself? It's more, as I understand it, about how to proceed.
That's right. The judges are not going to rule on whether Israel has committed genocide or is committing genocide. This is about whether there is enough evidence to move forward and whether emergency measures requested by South Africa are imposed in the meantime. Israel, it says this case is baseless. It says it is threatened with genocide, not the other way around. But South Africa's lawyers have argued that enormous civilian casualties, massive displacement in Gaza are all part of a deliberate Israeli effort to destroy the Palestinian people there. And crucially, they've backed that up with what they say are genocidal statements from Israeli cabinet ministers, some of whom have used words such as animals or monsters to describe who they're fighting. Israel's government says those were just words, and it even declassified cabinet meeting documents to try to show that they took measures to protect Palestinian civilians.
So, Chris, this ruling could include an order for Israel to suspend military operations in Gaza.
It could. That's one of 9 provisional measures South Africa has requested. But remember, even if it is granted, the ICJ has no way to actually enforce that order, so Israel could just ignore it. The order could then get referred to the UN Security Council, and that would put the U.S. in particular in a very difficult position about whether it would veto a legally binding decision from the UN's top court. Many legal analysts believe more likely is a lesser order, perhaps something along humanitarian lines. A dismissal could possibly be viewed by the Israeli government as validation, whereas a court order would essentially vindicate South Africa and increase the pressure not just on Israel, but also on key countries that support it, especially the United States. Adrienne.
All right, Chris Brown in Jerusalem tonight. Thank you.